Hey everyone, welcome back. Tonight we're doing a head shave with Heritage Hill Continental and the Blackland Sabre on plate 2. I have the soap pressed in my TSB bowl. So I'm gonna whip up the lather and I'll be right back. Alright, the lather has been whipped up here. It's a little on the wetter side. This is kind of like something you expect to see from Jeffrey Smith. Kids are not quite in bed yet. It's a little bit earlier than normally record, but brush tonight is the Smiles for Miles vintage number 4. Now the scent on Continental is tangerine and menthol. However, this is beautifully blended. I get 0 scent from the menthol. Just nice tangerine scent here. And the menthol is just, it's enough that's noticeable. Hey, guys! Hey! Relax, please. It's noticeable, but not overpowering. Alright, and I have plenty of lather. I'm going to do my regular cleanup off camera as well. So, Sabre, plate 2. Not sure what use of blade this is. And don't have any days of growth, but it's quite a few. This is just going, cutting through it without any issue. Let's see, we'll pass the test, maybe. There, it just plopped. This is why I normally record once the kids are in bed. But it's, what is it, November 24th at the day of recording. I grilled today. It was like 39 degrees. And I grilled some hamburgers and hot dogs and some sausage. They can only get in the South. It's from Alabama. I'm going to say the name wrong, but Conica, or however you say that. Some of the best sausage I've ever had. And you can't buy it in this state. My wife brought some home from her trip earlier this year to New Orleans. She brought home 4 packages, 4 or 5. Tonight I heated up the last one. So we still have some left that we're going to use tomorrow for dinner. Man, that's coming off really easily. Plenty of hair in there. Rinse is very clean. Heritage Hill is quickly becoming one of my favorite artisans. Soap works very well. It's easy to whip up a nice lather. You can take a good amount of water. You get 6 ounces for $20, so it's like $3.33 an ounce. But you're actually paying less because 5% of purchase goes to, oh shoot, I just forgot the name. I'll annotate that on the screen below. Or they donate to, I think it's Hidden Battles Foundation. I'll have the name below. And a link to that organization also. So they donate 5% of the purchase price to that organization. And you're paying $20 for 6 ounces, which is not bad. And the soap is just absolutely fantastic. You can see it's helping the razor just go through this growth very easily. Now the Sabre, I haven't used the Sabre in quite some time because I've been on a huge, look at this lather, it's beautiful. I've been on a Chevette kick a lot lately. And I use the Shave Buddy app because I'm a huge nerd. And it keeps track of how many times I use equipment, and the Sabre is by far and above the #1 used. So I'm trying to get other razors, showing some other razors some love as well. But man, I forgot how good the Sabre really is. I haven't used it for months. And this soap, oh, it's just phenomenal. One thing I like about the bowl as well, I'm kind of all over the place tonight. With the bowl, there's a nice little place to hold the lather. Oh, I didn't realize that was coming over. Kids are on one tonight. There's no school tomorrow, apparently. Both my wife and I thought they'd have school tomorrow. But no, there's no school. So they're extra wound up. The youngest two are sleeping in the oldest's bedroom tonight. They're having a sleepover with their older brother. He's in here! So that's kind of got him excited as well. All right, question for all you parents out there, of boys especially. Do your boys, do they or did they at one point go through a phase where they prefer to sleep on the floor versus their bed? Because my two youngest are in that phase right now. Sebastian, you better get in the bath, bud. Yep, go see Mom. My youngest was chest resting on our floor by my bed. He'll do that when he's tired. He's 3. But he'll chest rest on the floor, on his stomach, hands under his hips. As he's holding his stuffed animals, he's kind of putting his stuffed animals down and waist area and lying on those, and he'll end up falling asleep if we don't catch it early enough. But yeah, my kids like sleeping on the floor for some reason. My oldest did that as well for a while. He wanted to sleep on the floor. Now he prefers his bed. But still, I don't recall doing that when I was younger. So if your parents are boys out there, depending on their age, do they like to sleep on the floor better than their own bed? Or did they at one point, depending on how old they are? Very curious to know. Let me know in the comments below. Great shave, losing water pressure because the bath is running for the youngest two. Just do a little bit of cleanup. I don't really need the lather. Heritage Hill has plenty of residual. I normally don't lather up again this portion here, but I figured why not. I almost broke out the Kai this evening for the head shave, but I figured I'm using Heritage Hill, and the label, man, can't get more patriotic than that. I figured I'd use an American-made razor. My bowl made right here in America, with another American artisan. I'll almost use the Kai. And the knot and everything else, yeah, they're made somewhere else. But for the most part, doing a homeland shave. I'm not trying to go super VVS. Just trying to get most of the stubble and stuff off. Like I said, it's been a couple days. I think Saturday was the last time I shaved. Maybe? I don't know. I can't remember. It's been a while. It's only Tuesday, but still. By the time you guys see this, will be Wednesday. Or later. Oh man, I love the scent of this tangerine. The menthol is present but not overpowering. This is just a very, very enjoyable shave. Using this is like picking up, muscle memory comes right back picking up the Sabre. Even though I haven't used it in months. But man, that was a good shave. All right, so we're gonna call that good. I'll do the rinse and everything else off camera. This evening, I'm not really I did my head. So, and Heritage Hill, fantastic soap. I'm not gonna do anything post. I'm just gonna let it go. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Just a quick recap. The soap was Heritage Hill Continental, which is tangerine and menthol. Beautiful scent. Just, oh, I love Heritage Hill. They quickly moved in my top 5 spot for artisans. Razor was the Sabre. Plate, the 2-dot plate or level 2. The brush was the smilezformilez, vintage number 4 with a 24mm tuxedo knot and the TSB bowl. Plenty of lather left up for a quick face shave, which I'll do off camera. So anyway guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you all next time.